Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a simple low battery indicator circuit using just two BC547 NPN transistors. This circuit is super efficient, using only around 1.5 milliamps in standby, which makes it much better for battery life than traditional IC555 or comparator circuits. Plus, it can work down to voltages as low as 1.5 volts. Here is how the circuit works step by step. The first BC547 transistor on the left acts as a voltage sensor. When your battery is fully charged, the voltage divider network with the 47K preset delivers more than 0.6 volts to its base. This turns the first transistor on. Because it is turned on, it grounds the base of the second transistor, keeping it switched off. So when the battery is charged, the LED stays completely off. Now, as the battery drains and drops below your threshold limit, the base voltage on the first transistor falls below 0.6 volts, causing it to turn off. Once the first transistor turns off, current can flow through the upper 33K resistor right into the base of the second transistor. This turns the second transistor on, completing the circuit to light up the LED and warn you that the battery is low. To set it up, connect your power supply to your desired low battery threshold voltage, then adjust the 47K preset until the LED just begins to turn on. The next design is even more accurate and hassle-free. Instead of depending on preset adjustment, it uses a Zener diode to sense the low voltage, eliminating the need for any prior settings or adjustments. It not only indicates a low battery situation, but also disconnects an attached load, for example an inverter during such situations. As can be seen in the diagram, when a 12V battery is fully charged, its voltage is above 10.6 volts. This voltage easily overcomes the 10-volt Zener diode, feeding current into the base of the T1 BC547 transistor and turning it on. When T1 turns on, it pulls the base circuit of T2 down toward ground through resistor R3. T2 is a TIP127 PNP Darlington transistor, which means it turns on whenever its base is pulled low. Once T2 turns on, current flows from the battery right into your load, while the LED lights up to show that power is connected and active. Now, as your load consumes power and the battery voltage drops below around 10.6 volts, the Zener diode stops conducting. This deprives T1 of base current, causing T1 to turn completely off. With T1 off, resistor R2 pulls the base of T2 up to the positive battery voltage. Bringing the base of a PNP transistor high switches it completely off. This instantly cuts off power to the load and turns off the LED, protecting your battery from permanent damage caused by deep discharge. So that's it friends. If you like this video then please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you for watching.